think we're hung up on the middle.
Yeah. Hold the brake, Sean.
Tiny bit, driver. Perfect. A little bit, passenger. Okay, so we got some straps over the hood.
Your finger is less.
We got some straps over the camper shell in the back.
No, it's fine.
All right. Oh, we might have to pick up some laundry.
not so clean. That went about as smooth as it could have. I expected it to kind of fight us coming up that last ledge, but
Yeah, you guys did really well.
Like I said, we only tore up where they're already going to blade the road anyway, so that way we're not tearing anything up off the trail.
Yeah.
Well, sometimes you got to break some eggs to make an omelet, you know.
Well, breakfast is served.
There it is.
Mic drop.
Trying to leave the guys. They're going real slow because they got the trailer and everything. We're passing the potash pond. I'm kind of in a hurry because I have to go get a new phone. My phone got ran over as I was pulling it out of there. And it got smashed and turned up on the duals and everything. And that is my entire livelihood. So I'm going to try and get in here as quick as I can. See if I can go get a phone. What we refer to around here is the tablecloth.
There's water to be had here out in Green River.
I think that's mud.
It's like mud.
So to let you know what we're doing, we're up here in Green River. We just picked up the keys to the master lock that has all these wicked hogs chained up.
Yeah, we got some wild hogs. We're gonna go rescue.
Yeah, we're going to get 4 bikes. They got stuck up here in the mud yesterday. These are all big wheel 70s.
That bike you
Dumb and
wanted
Dumber.
when you were a kid?
Dumb and Dumber.
Yeah.
You know, just when I think you couldn't do anything.